Hi everyone, it's me again, Ebon, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is a different one, exciting one, and nakaka-nervyos kasi as you can see, my hair is very long. So ang gagawin ko today, DIY haircut. Okay, let's get started. Of course, first thing to do is to divide your hair into two.
Oh, okay.
Tapos, kuha kayo ng rubber band. Goodbye my hair. So, itong gunting na gagamitin ko is hindi siya talaga pang haircut. Pero, ito lang ang meron sa akin, kaya ito na lang gagamitin ko.
Huh? You serious?
Ano? Oh my God, pinagpapawisan ako, guys!
Oh no!
Kailangan din niya magpahinga. Oh my God, parang ayaw ko. Okay, this is it, this is it. Let's do this. Teka lang. Masyado yatang magse. Baba ng konti.
Just do it!
I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay? This is my final answer. Tatago ko tong hair ko, ilagay ko to sa dictionary.
You serious?
Tumalino ako. Charot. Oh my God! Wow.
Not bad, not bad.
Hintay ba siya? At hindi pa yan nagtatapos. Sama ko na rin yung bangs ko.
Oh no!
Damay-damay na to.
Wow!
I feel fresh.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Wow!
So guys, this is the final outcome. Kontento naman ako kasi gumaan yung feeling, gumaan yung pakiramdam. Kasi maiksi na yung buhok ko, hindi na mahaba, hindi na mahirap suklayin. So, yun, di ba? Napakadali lang gawin ang DIY haircut. Again, guys, thank you for watching and Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para every time mag-upload ako ng video is ma-notify kayo. Free po ang subscribe. Wala pong bayad yan guys. So, subscribe now.